Infinity, the state or quality of being infinite, an infinite or very great number or amount, a point in space or time that is or seems infinitely distant.
Hi everybody, today we're going to paint Infinity. My name is Artist Mark A. Foltz. Thank you for joining me on this session. Fling das Faber. Let's get these going on the show. Let's get the show on the road. Okay, let's get this going here. What I'm going to do here is let's explain why I put this little tabs of tape right here. Now I put those there for markers, so I know exactly where the center is going to go with this Infinity piece. Kind of gives me a little track. So, I'm showing you guys how to do that. Oh my god! Oh my goodness! Oh my god, look at all that yellow paint. Oh my gosh. Okay. And let me see, let's see. Oh my god, I spilled some yellow and orange, and oh my goodness, that's too much orange. Too much orange. It came with free crumples of junk. I'm going to put some a little bit thicker paint on there. There we go. Let's move that around, see what we got. Ooh, nice orange. That's just too much orange. Let's get most of that off. Wow. A little strong there, Mark. A little bit more yellow. We're going towards more of the yellow. I was going to do this on the easel, but it's easier for me to do it this way to show you in film. It's just too hard to demonstrate it. I want to smooth this out with my hand as much as I can. I want it fairly thin, but I want it thick, so I want to work in it like a sculptor would. And I want a nice variety of change here. Like I said, these are just markers here. Let me explain a little bit about why I'm putting those markers there. Okay. Ooh. Let's kind of move some of our paint, spray paints. This canvas is a little bit too big for my table. That's why I wanted to do it on the easel, but there's just no room anywhere. I'm gonna have to get me a bigger studio, hint hint. Anyways, smear it out as much as you can. I want it nice, medium thick, not too thick, but not too thin. Like I said, a few chunks of paint fell in there. Just pick those out. There we go, smooth it all out. There we go. Woo! Get those colors all just intermingled in there. Looks pretty good. I just use my hand to get this all spread out like a big old freaking paintbrush. Let's share some love over here in this corner. Just pull some of that oranges over here. Might need some orange over here a little bit. Okay. And let's see, there's a hair there I want to pick out, another hair. I want to pick out a couple cat hairs there. Doggy hairs, cat hairs. Keep your critters out of your studio. Unless they help you paint. Sometimes you can use your cat as a paintbrush. Ooh, look at all that orange. Look at that. Woo! That's why I wear a rag there, guys. Oh my god. Ugh, messy. I'm gonna let it set for a second or two while I get a nice dry dirty rag to wipe my hand down. Woo. Okay, so I got a little bit of red in this little bucket here. I'm gonna put a little bit of red right about here. I need those tape pieces there, those markers like I put there. See how I did that? Kind of just showing you where that is. There's a reason for this. I'll show you in a while. Look at that. I'm going to go in a little bit deeper there. There we go. Kind of stronger towards the edges here. We're not too worried about the center, we're just mainly the edges. Okay. Okay, that's pretty good. We like that. Let's get rid of this for now. Try to stay within the marker range there, where you put your markers. Doesn't matter if it goes outside too much, but just try to stay within that area so you have a nice center for your painting. The cat must have slept on this canvas. Really full of cat hairs. Try to pick them all out. Wow. Okay, one more cat in the studio. Okay, so that's our beginning state of this piece, this infinity piece, and I put reds on there to tone those areas. Those are going to be kind of underneath. I'm going to cover those up here. So, what I'm looking for, let me go get it. I didn't bring it in here. Wow, the main color wasn't even put on here. That's crazy. Anyways, I'm going to cover this with blue now. But before we do that, get rid of this piece of cardboard here. Shake it up a little bit. We're going to get some of this 2-inch masking tape. Woo! Okay. We're going to put it right here. Boom! Right where those markers are. We want the blue paint to stay kind of within this space. Yeah, there we go. And we're going to need another strip here. Like I said, I don't have any of these paintings preliminarily planned out. I just do them. Kind of had an idea, but not really planned. Try to see where that marker is here. Okay. It's okay if you get a little bit of paint that slides underneath. It's not going to hurt it any. Your infinities, circles, and stuff that I'm going to produce are going to mess all that up anyway. We're just trying to make it to where we have a nice center for our canvas. There we go. I'm going to use some of this really dark warm blue and mix it with a colder blue at the same time. Let's start in the center here. Ew, how disgusting. That was obscene. Okay, we're going to get this nice blue that we got here, nice cobalt. Pour it in the center. And towards the edges. Already, that's a cool abstract, just like that. Okay, so now we're going to smooth that blue out. Ooh, look how beautiful that blue is. Nice and dynamic. Ooh, crazy cool. Again, just smooth that baby out with your hand. Make a little bit of motion there. All the way to the end, though. Nice swipey motions. Okay. Looks pretty good. Pretty messy. Pretty messy. Like I said, we're going to pick up some of this area we kind of overdid it here. You don't want it too green in this area. Ain't going to hurt it any. Just kind of blend it in. That's why it's good to use a lot of paint. Those tones don't hurt nothing, it just doesn't matter at this point. because we're going to tone this too. There we go. So there we go. We got a nice basis. We're going to wipe some of that down just a little bit. It's a little thick. We want a lot of paint because we want that underpainted to show kind of. And I want to make sure there's a lot of paint on this area. But just the right amount. We don't want it over. Take 10 years to dry. Just kind of smooth it out. Golly. You're kind of getting a drift here. Smooth all the way out to the edges where that tape is. There we go. Nice little setup there. Let me get rid of this paint and this rag. Jeez Louise. I need to buy some paper towels. I'm a messy painter. Okay, so as you guys know, I like to use a lot of pan lids and bowls and all kinds of stuff. Let's pull this tape off, exposing our blue strip. There we go. Isn't that cool? Yeah. Pretty interesting. Now we're going to take these little tabs off. So we don't need them anymore. And we're just going to kind of blend the edges out a little bit. Get rid of the little tab marks I left there white. Nice and abstracty. Look at that. Beautiful, huh? Okay, I'll come over here and just kind of do that. Fill that corner in. Make sure there's none of that white canvas there. There we go. See? Pretty simple. Just filling that. It's not really going to matter that much anyway after we're done doing this. There we have it. There we have it. Okay, so now for the fun part. This infinity thing. We're going to start right here at the end, and we're going to work our way across. Hopefully it'll look cool. Pick it up just a little bit while you move it. Try to stay kind of centered so you get those nice crazy 8 looking infinity marks. And tie them up kind of towards the end. It's pretty good. Looks pretty good, guys. I'm liking that. We did a boob over here, but we'll fix it. It's not a big boo-boo, but we'll mess with it here. Sometimes you'll run into those little issues, but it's not a big issue. Right here, I went a little too far. And I'll tell you why. I think I had a little idea here, because that's what I didn't show in the other video of what I do here. So I'm showing you now what I didn't do. I got kind of ahead of myself. Anyways, let's just kind of get that infinity ring. Right there instead. Perfect. Perfect. It's looking pretty good. You guys think it needs more rings? I think it does. Let's get them a little stronger. We want to pick up some of that orange. That's the whole idea, see? Yeah, we're liking that. We're liking that. Now, some of this area got a little bit too picked up. I don't know why I did that, but we'll work with that as well. Actually, I'm not liking it. We're going to go over it. That's the good thing. Put a little bit more blue paint. Want a little bit more evenness here. Okay, that's better. We'll just fix that little boo-boo. Sometimes you make mistakes. These happy little mistakes, you fix them. Perfect. Let's see. Let's start there and work our way again. It's looking pretty good. So I wanted a little bit more space in here, so it's looking good. I like that better. Show a little bit more orange right about here. There we go. I'm liking that. And maybe just one more little lip there. It's looking good. Now if your paint gets too thick on the lid, wipe the lid off. And then they'll help you pick up some more light, see? Alright, that's what I was after. Sorry, it took a little bit to get that effect. Now, the reason I did that is because I want to show you the red. See how it pulled that light out? That's what we're after, see? Show that light underneath it. That's what I was after the whole dang time. Okay. So now we got that. It didn't do as red as I wanted it to, but it worked. Okay, so now I'm going to do some toning. This is where you better wear a mask, a big old gas mask. So what I'm going to do is get my red paint. There we go. Whew. I have to get a fan in here. Okay, so there's red. There we go. One more red on the top here. Don't want to blow up over here. There we go. So now we got a nice value scale here. Should have got a fan going on too. Okay. And now we're going to tweak it up and make it with black here. That's how you get that contrast going on. Smoke those edges. Gotta get some air going on in here. Okay, now I'm going to sprit this gold that I got. It's a marbleizing spray. Causes all kinds of energies in there, especially in the reds. Then we're going to go this way with it. Have a nice little rift of energy there. There you guys have it, infinity. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.